In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through the process of creating a USGS Earth Explorer account where you can download remotely sensed geospatial data like Landsat images and elevation model data. So what you need to do is to just open your favorite web browser. We'll be using Chrome for this case. So just type in the search box USGS. USGS Earth Explorer. Under the first link, you'll be able to see this EROS registration system. Click on it. Then if you have an account, you can just go ahead and sign in. Just type in your details and then click sign in. But for our case, since this is the first time we are creating a new account, so just click on this create new account button. Then the first thing you need to do is to create a username. Username, you need to choose a unique name that you'll be using whenever you want to log in into the system. Then go ahead and type your password, and you should go through the password requirements, and most importantly, your password should be between 12 to 24 characters. So you need to create, just type in your new password. Then make sure that you check this not robot. Then click continue. So you'll automatically be taken to this kind of a page. It's a contact demographic information. So the first thing you'll be asked is to select the sector or the sector where your work is based. In what sector do you work? And for this case, you're going to choose either general public or academic institution. Then the second question, which of the following characterize you as a user of remotely sensed data? So I'm going to click on end user. Yeah, so then third question, does your work use remotely sensed data? Make sure to choose yes. If your work that uses remotely sensed data from USGS, what percentage is operational and non-operational? So operational, just slide this kind of I think for my case is about 90%. So what's the primary application for which you have used remotely sensed data in the past? I think you're going to choose education, university, college, and the next question, in addition to the primary application, in what other area use remotely send data from USGS in the past year. You can choose agriculture forecasting, education, engineering, land cover, urban planning, transport. So over the next year, approximately how much of the remote sensing, most of the data over the next year, how important will free and open access to conducting your work, very important. Then click the continue button to go to contact information. Contact information, you need to provide the details of your contact. So you need to fill in the correct information. Select the country, residence, then city, state of province. Then we need to provide your postal code or zip code. Then type in your email. Then you need to provide your telephone number. Choose to save again. So now everything looks good. So if you are satisfied with the kind of information that is displayed on this particular page, just click submit registration, and then so check your email for confirmation message. Let's go back to sign in. Then what we need to do is to open your activation link is sent. Now we have the activation link, so just click on it and then click on this particular link for activation to be. So our username is that one, then click submit. Now we are good to go. We can now can now I think log in into our account. So yes, everything looks good. So if now we open a new, type in USGS, then sign in. Now as you can see, we are now logged in. You can log out, then again log in, then continue search. So now we can see our account is activated, and we are now ready to go. You can actually download your data. So I'll create a separate video to show you how to download any particular data from this particular USGS website. So thank you for watching. That's the end of this tutorial. Kindly remember to consider subscribing, and see you in the next tutorial.